Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you median. Median means basically the mid value of a given data. Like in mean, even in median we have ungrouped data and grouped data. When we take ungrouped data, the data can be even or odd. Let's take an example to understand this. Let's take the series as given in example. The series are 15, 19, 21, 7, 10, 33, 25, 18 and 5. The first step what you have to do is arrange in ascending order. Ascending means from small to big. Arrange in ascending order and then count how many numbers are there in series. Here when you count, you will find that there are odd numbers. So when there are odd numbers, the formula for odd numbers for ungrouped data is n plus 1 by 2. When you counted the series, the total number of numbers were in the series were 9. So as per our formula for an odd series, it is n plus 1 by 2. So 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2 is 5. As you got median as 5, you will be taking the fifth number of the series. Fifth number of the series means the series which you have made, that is you have arranged the given series in ascending order. So you will take the fifth number from the ascending order. Say when you see this, the fifth number is 18. So as you can see, you should write the median is 18. So I am sure this is very clear to you. Now let's see median of a group data. The formula for the median is L plus n by 2 minus PCF by F into I, where L is lower limit of median class, PCF is cumulative frequency of median class, F is the frequency of median class, I is size of median class, N is total number of observation or the total of the frequency. This will be clear by taking an example. As shown in example, the data, that is mark and number of students, are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So number of students are 10, 20, 30, 50, 40 and 30. The first thing what you have to do is write the marks and number of students in column form. In question it is given in a row wise, so just write it in a column wise. Okay dear students, and then find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means, see, can you see the class interval 0 to 10 and number of students is 10. So what you have to do is write the first frequency as it is, that is 10. Write the first frequency as it is and keep on adding to the next frequency. What is your next frequency? In 10 to 20 it is 20. Just add 10 plus 20, you get 30. Now you add 30 plus 30 because that is your next frequency, you get 60. Now again you add 60 plus 50, you get 110. Again you add 110 plus 40, you get 150. 150 plus 30, you get 180. To check whether your cumulative frequency is correct or not, you just sum up all your frequency. If you get the frequency here, after summing up, you got it as 180. Your sum frequency and your cumulative frequency of the last class should be equal. Can you see here? After summing you got 180 and the last frequency is 180. So it is correct. Your cumulative frequency is correct. Now in second step, after finding the cumulative frequency, what you have to do is you have to find which term. That means what you have to do is you have summed the frequency, right, which you got 180. So that divided by 2, that is n by 2. You will get the size. So it is 180 divided by 2 is 90. So you have to take the 90th term. Now in the third step, once you get the 90th term, what you have to do is see in which class interval you are getting 90th. It is coming between the class 110, isn't it? The cumulative frequency is C. You got 90. In this, it is very clear. Where do you get 90? It is between 60 and 110 cumulative frequency, isn't it? The value 90 you get between 60 and 110. So you will take 110. Okay, so this will be your median class, and the lower limit will be 30, and the frequency will be 50, and pre-cumulative frequency or predecessor, that means before the median class, whatever the PCF will be 60. Let me sum up once again. Once you identify the median class, your cumulative frequency of the median class will be 110, your frequency will be 50, and lower limit will be 30. By finding n by 2, you will get some term. You have to identify where you are going to get. Say n by 2 we got it as 90. So 90 you will get between 60 and 1. Okay, so the 110 where you are having the cumulative frequency as 110, that is your median class. So from the median class only you will be taking the lower limit. So the lower limit of median class is 30 and the frequency is 50, and pre-cumulative frequency is 60. Therefore, now we have all the values to substitute in the formula. Just substitute all the values in the formula. The lower limit we got was 30, n by 2 is 90 we got, minus 60 the pre-cumulative frequency divided by the frequency 50 into I. I is the class interval, isn't it? I, that is 10. So once you calculate this, you get median as 36. So I am sure you have understood this very well.